The D-110 is a horizontal drill and dowel insertion platform, a perfect standalone solution in a case good setting, also very functional in a work cell setting supporting multiple nested-based machining centers. The D-110 is a zero setup platform, meaning we read the incoming CNC program and the machine sets itself up for position, height, and drill depth without any manual interaction or intervention required of the operator. This is a 3-spindle, individually selectable drill block. In a common application, you would have 3 8mm drills in your drill block if you're doing all dowel construction. Gives you the ability to drill 3 holes in one actuation of the machine, followed by your dowel insertion unit coming through and filling them each with a dowel.